from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is the monthly shopping haul. Our host is Jessica Myrose and Small Town 6. This shopping trip's going to be a little different because I'm going to start to try to eat a little bit more healthy. So I'm going to get some low carb options and some items for getting fit in January. And I went to a different store. So came here to Aldi's for our shopping trip to see what they have in low carb options and healthier items for January. Because in January I'm gonna do some healthier recipes and things on my channel and try to eat healthier. And so this is what this shopping trip will be. And we also went to Meijer's, and that will be at the end of this video. Okay, here's our shopping. We got 2 string cheese, light string cheese, some carrots. We got these, they were $2 off. The flatbread. We got 2 of these, they were half off. We got 2 of these, some mozzarella, some cheddar, coconut oil, some chips, some stevia, olive oil, some pepperoni, some cheddar, 2 things of salad, pork rinds. This was half off, a cauliflower pizza, and I thought I'd add mushrooms to it, and maybe black olives. And we got bread, and we got tortilla chips. That was our shopping haul. Okay, we also got creamer. Our total shopping trip was $87.27 for all these items at Aldi's. Here's some unusual finds we found at Aldi's. We found Christmas tree and star-shaped pizzas and my friend gnomes, which are gnomes that you use like Elf on the Shelf and place them around your house in different areas and different scenarios, just like Elf on the Shelf. We thought these were pretty funny. What do you think? We found these at Aldi's.
Grocery haul at Meijer's. $1.09 for these. Got 6 of them. These are 2 for $7, which is okay buy, but we didn't have any. And the milks, I think, is $2.09. And these chicken breasts were $1.99 a pound. So we got 2 of those. Oh, green beans, 39 cents. And I got 4, 8, and another 8. So we have a total of 16 for 39 cents for Meijer's. Cut green beans. They got peas and corn too, but we didn't get any. We got plenty. 39 cents. $1.99 chicken breast. $2.09 on milk. 2 for $7. And then Jimmy Dean's $1.09. And these like lunch makers, they're like Lunchables. Not too bad for Armor.